Hey guys, day 2. It's 4:20 in the afternoon, and I just realized I did not film anything today. But I was hard, working hard. So here's what we're doing right now. That's right, smoothie is meal replacing things. They're supposed to like make you full, and they only have like 70 calories. Oh, and I have to tell you guys something really important. So here goes. So yeah, that's what I have to tell you. Anyway, please hold it. Gotta finish this thing. Which button? Let me put you guys on a tripod, because I kind of have to hold the lid on the blender so it doesn't explode. I've seen that in movies. It's funny, but I don't want it to happen to me, because then I'll be having to clean the ceiling. Alright, you guys are on the tripod. Pointing it. Alright. And now we puree. I heard an ice cube. So I gotta get all those. Sorry, guys. I keep hearing ice cubes. I'll just see you guys later when I do my workout.